In this video, we will discuss how to use the new preloaded Map Manager app on your Garmin fēnix 7 series watch. While your fēnix 7 mapping can be managed using our Garmin Express computer application, the Map Manager on your watch will also allow you to update, install, and remove mapping right from the watch. Before we get started, there are a few requirements before you begin using Map Manager. First, we need to have a Wi-Fi connection set up on your fēnix 7 smartwatch. See our Wi-Fi setup video for help or see the link in the description. You will also need to be near your Wi-Fi router, have at least 30% battery charge on your smartwatch, the USB charging cable, and either a computer, AC adapter, or battery bank. Now we will cover installing TopoActive mapping. While the Sapphire editions are preloaded with regional mapping for your area, all fēnix 7 editions will have access to our TopoActive mapping at no additional cost. From the watch face, press the Start/Stop button. Use the down button to locate and then select Map Manager using the Start/Stop button. Select TopoActive Maps. You may have some maps already installed. Then select Add Map. Scroll over the available mapping for your watch. Once you locate the map you wish to install, select it. Next, you can review the coverage map and details for the map file. Press the Start/Stop button to open the menu, then select Download and confirm the installation. To begin the download, plug the watch into a power source. Please note that this process will take a while to complete and will vary depending on the file size. If you are using a computer, you will be prompted to start the map download. Select the check mark to begin. If you do not see this option, you will need to update your watch software. See the link in the description for help. When the download is complete, a completion screen will display. Now we will discuss updating TopoActive mapping using the Map Manager. From the watch face, press the Start/Stop button to open your activities list. Use the down button to locate Map Manager. Then use the Start/Stop button to select it. Select TopoActive Maps. There will be a notification under the map name if updates are available for your TopoActive map. To update, select the map. Then you will see an informational screen about the loaded map. Press the Start/Stop button to open the menu for this map. Select Update. If you have limited space on your watch, a prompt will display allowing you to discard the previous map version. To begin the download, plug the watch into a power source to install the mapping update. Please note, this process will take a while to complete and will vary depending on the file size. When the download is complete, a completion screen will display. Lastly, we will cover how to delete mapping from the watch. Note, not all files can be deleted. From the watch face, press the Start/Stop button to open your activities list. Use the down button to locate Map Manager. Then use the Start/Stop button to select it. Now select TopoActive Maps. Select the map you wish to delete from the watch. You will see an informational screen about the loaded map. Press the Start/Stop button to open the menu for this map. Select Remove, followed by the check mark. A loading map screen will display. It is only loading your remaining maps on the TopoActive Maps screen. And that's it. To learn more about your fēnix 7 smartwatch, see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.